Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary product that promises to keep your home pest-free without the hassle of traditional methods. We're talking about the Ultrasonic Pest Repellent, specifically designed to tackle spiders and a wide range of other pests. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Ultrasonic Pest Repellent is the latest in pest control technology for 2024. It combines ultrasonic and electromagnetic chips to emit frequencies that interfere with pests' auditory and nerve systems. This makes them uneasy and uncomfortable, effectively driving them away from your home. It features dual ultrasonic and electromagnetic chips, ensuring comprehensive coverage against spiders, mosquitoes, mice, ants, and more. Simply plug it into any standard socket. The blue indicator light confirms it's working, and there's no need for batteries. The ultrasonic frequencies are inaudible to humans and pets, making it a safe and eco-friendly choice compared to chemical alternatives. It effectively covers up to 1,600 square feet, making it suitable for homes, offices, warehouses, and more. Backed by a 90-day money-back guarantee, ensuring your satisfaction. If you're tired of dealing with spiders and other pests using messy traps or harmful chemicals, this is the perfect solution. It's safe, easy to use, and provides long-term pest control without the cleanup. For optimal results, install one unit per room, positioned vertically between 10 to 50 inches above the floor. Ensure there are no obstacles blocking its path. In conclusion, the Ultrasonic Pest Repellent stands out as the best electronic spider repeller on the market today. Its innovative technology, ease of use, and effectiveness make it a must-have for anyone looking to keep their home pest-free. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get yours today. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews and product recommendations. See you next time.